Last session, just we had a discussion about how to list, how to detail, how to list, and then how we can able to get a detail page list post like we covered, right? So best example here, just have a look once, sir. So if you observe that, if you observe that, sir, this is what we have views.py. Sir, post list view request post list is equal to post dot objects dot all. Post dot objects dot all. Okay. Return render of request blog post like this, right? Sir, can you please list out all posts whatever we have? This is the thing what we are using list view, sir. Next, second one, sir, post detail view. Post detail view. Okay. What this line? What this line, sir? If you want to know details, sir, I want to know details of a particular post. Sir, how you can specify a particular post? You have to specify year, month, day, and then post. Post means select field, right? Okay. Now, sir, post this line, sir. Some people are expecting explanation. Have a look once. What is the meaning? What is the meaning of this line, sir? What the meaning of this line? Just observe a bit very carefully about this one. What the meaning of this line, sir? Have a look once. Have a look once, sir. Here I'm taking post get object or like sir, slug is equal to post status is equal to published, publish year is equal to year, publish month is equal to like this. What the meaning of this is? If you are going to specify, boss, I want my requirement here. So in the 2018, okay, 09 month, 29th day, I want sir, India cricket information, India cricket info, India cricket info, like cricket info, like sir, is there any post with this information? If it is there, can you please provide? Regarding if it is there, can you please provide like this, right? So slug means this is the information. Okay, status by default I want to publish only published. Next, publish here, publish here is sir, publish contain year, day, month, and time also. Sir, publish means date, time, field. If you observe, publish is what field, sir? Can you please have a look once in the models.py? In the models.py, publish means what is the date, time field? It contains date, it contains time. Okay, like that. In that day, sir, year should be provided here. Regarding year should be provided, sir, published year is provided here. Published month is the provided month. Published day is the provided day. Like this. Regarding related to this date, either any published post with this title is it there? I want details of that. Can you please return that post object like this, right? Suppose have you remembered somewhere, Shashank? Have you remembered somewhere? I want a particular employee, sir. What is the way I use it, sir? Employee dot objects dot get enum id, or otherwise, sir, enum do you know self dot enum or something like enum something like eq is equal to 101, something like. Have you asked, have you remembered, right, this type of thing in the ORM? Yes, Shashank, have you remembered this type of thing in the ORM, right? So from the employee, is there any record where employee number is equal to 101? Regarding same thing, so alternative way what you can able to specify is employee is equal to get object r 404, okay, from which model? Okay, employee model, comma, from the employee model, sir, what is your requirement? Enum is equal to 101, like this, right? Are you getting? So either this one you can use or you can use this one. Both the things are acceptable. Shashank, are you getting the point? Now I hope you can able to understand what the meaning of this. So from this model slug. Sir, actually a bit confusion. We use a post, but actually post means do you know slug only internally. Okay, slug only, not nowhere related to this post and this post. Slug, whatever slug we provided. This is the India cricket info. Is the slug we provided, right? So based on sir this day, this month, this year, either any published post with this slug. Slug means whatever we provided. Yes, Rohit, correct. The name itself indicates, right? Get object or 404. If the object is not available, can you please return 404, something like. Clear? Any doubt about this terminology? Okay. So now take a bit very special care about this terminology, right? Okay, that's all. This is the first thing what we have. So now here have a look once. One more thing I have to discuss. One more thing I require to discuss, right? What is the next thing I have to add? I didn't explain this terminology. Let me run up to this, right? So that you may get some clarity. Okay. Django projects OT. Okay. Blog project. Okay. Now py manage.py run server. Py manage.py run server. Okay, like. Okay, well, now let me send the request 127 like this. I'm taking, sir. Okay, well, now perfect. Okay, how many posts are available? Can you please tell? As of now in the database, how many posts are available? Three posts are available, right? Sir, if I can take ask like this, then automatically, yes, India software industry, something like it's going to provide. Okay, well, now my question is, take a bit very special care, sir. Now I have one small doubt, sir. Let me go to admin interface. Are you getting? Let me go to admin interface, right? Okay. Durga 123. Durga 123. Like this I'm taking. Okay. Now yard. I want to add one post, sir. I want to add one post. Okay. India. Here just Python life in future. Python life in future. Like this I'm taking. 3 I'm selecting, sir. What the meaning of 3? You know, 3 means maybe bunny or something is there, sir. Okay. Now here growth of Python. Like this I'm taking, sir. Growth of Python. Okay. Here just observe a bit very carefully. Growth of Python. Like this is some article I'm taking, sir. Here just please make sure. Here the people. Here I'm taking like this. This is my message, right? Okay. Well, now growth of Python. Okay, growth of Python. Growth of Python. Like this, right? I'm taking, sir. Growth of Python. Okay. Now here just observe, sir. Here year and day and date and time is the same. Draft version only. I don't want to publish. I don't want to publish, right? Draft only. Save, sir. Save. Okay. Save like this, right? Sir, total. Can you please tell how many posts are available? Total how many posts are available? Four posts are available, but one is in draft version, not published. Are you getting that? One is in draft version, not published. Status is the draft. Are you getting? So draft. How many draft posts are available? Only one. Only one is available, sir. Only one. Okay, then. Sir, now take very special care. Very special care, sir, about this one. There is one small twist is there. What is that twist is? Let me open models.py. If I can take models.py ordering descending order of date, published date, descending order of published date. Of course, even if it is published means created, something like. Okay, now here have you observed? If I can send the request 127, like, can you please tell how many posts it is going to display? Please respond. How many posts it is going to display? Is it 3 or 4? Is it 3 or 4? Sir, actually it has to display only 3. Correct, right? Actually it has to display only 3. Only 3. What is the reason for that? What is the reason? Reason for that is, you know the reason, sir. Again, what the reason for that is, so we should, because we didn't publish, that's why, sir, please make sure, sir, we didn't publish that. That's why compulsory it should be only what we call a draft is there. Like, now let me send the request. Observe that how many posts are coming. Growth of Python, India software industry, India movie information, India cricket team, like this, right? Actually this post should not be displayed. This post should not be displayed, because the reason for that is it is in the draft version. How the draft version post you are going to display to the end user? Are you getting the point, right? Because the reason for that is, if you open user.py, you ask post dot objects dot all, then automatically whether the status is published or whether the status is a draft, everything we are going to get, then everything we are going to display to the end user. Are you getting right? If I click this one, then sir, it is telling that page not found, because the reason for that is, you know the reason. What is the reason for that is, sir, whenever you are asking like this, here we are always checking status is the published, but that post is not in published. That's why we are going to get something like 404. Okay, like, now the point here is how to restrict, sir, draft version posts. I don't want draft version, only published posts only I want to do that. Can you please guide, sir, where, what thing I have to take? Good. Post dot objects dot filter status exact is equal to publisher. Good Rohit. Any other? Can you please tell? I want only published posts, not draft versions. Because if I'm going to use the draft version, I may get a details 404 status code. That's why. What is the way? How I can able to do that? At our childhood, somewhere I covered, have you remembered model managers? Anyone remember that? Model managers, like, somewhere we covered. Okay, by using model manager, we can able to customize. Okay, like, what I want to take is, in the models.py, let me take one manager. Okay, class custom manager. So here custom manager should be child of models.manager. So just the people who missed last sessions, just go through that models.manager. So whenever we are using all internally, it is going to call one method. What is that method, sir? Anyone remember that? What is the method, sir? Def get query set. Are you getting what the method, sir? Get the query set. This is the method it is going to call. Get the query set. Sir, what we have to return? What we require to return? Okay, return. Just take very special care. Super dot get query set. Super dot get query set, which is going to return all. But I require to filter. Where status is equal to published. Are you getting that? Status is equal to published. Published. That's all. Are you getting? Status is equal to published. This is model manager I'm taking, sir. Okay. Well, now in this class, here I want to take objects is equal to, don't go for default manager. I want to go for my own custom manager. That's it. Are you getting how to use model manager? Whenever we are using all, whenever we are using post dot objects dot all, internally get query set is going to call, get query set is going to return only published posts. Are you able to understand? Can you please observe that? Okay. Now am I using default manager or custom manager? Default model manager or custom manager? Our own custom manager we are using, sir. That's what you should aware. Now, sir, let me save this one. Am I facing any problem here? Just observe. Server is, so no issues at all. Server is silent. Yes, perfect. It's going to work. Okay. Now, same request. Let me send this. Let me send. Can you please observe? It is going to display only 3. It is going to display only 3. Sir, draft version posts are not going to be displayed for the end user. Clear? Any doubt? Okay, even model managers also. This concept also beautiful concept, sir. Without touching our view functions, we can customize, okay, the data what we are going to get. How that possibility is there because of model managers. How to define our own custom model manager like this. This is what you should aware. That's all. So up to this, we are in a position to display. Okay, sir, all the posts which are available in our model, which are available in our database, right? Sir, that is. Now, can you please confirm how many posts are available now? Only 3 posts. Only 3 posts are available, right? Sir, let me add another 3 more. Another 3 more. Just observe that. Matter of 1 minute, sir. I won't take much time. Don't worry. Internal content, sir, we are not required to worry at all. Add post here. Just I'm taking Django life in future. Like this, I'm taking, sir. Django life in future. I'm taking, sir. Here one. Now let me take here same. We are not required to worry at all. Sir, published only. Like save and add another. Okay. Now data science. Okay. Data science. Sir, data science career. Data science career growth, like this I'm taking. Now here 2 I'm taking, sir. Same data, we are not required to worry. It is also published, sir. Same. Okay, well, now the last one, data science. Next, Python certification. Sir, 3 I'm taking, sir. Now this is the same. Now I'm taking published only, like this, like same. Okay. Now last one, sir, Python. Okay, Python importance, like this I'm taking. Next 2 I'm trying to take 2, sir. Now like this, here published only, save that, sir. Sir, now take very special care, sir. If I'm trying to refresh, then automatically how many published posts are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 are there, and the 1 is in the draft version. It is never going to display. Next time we observe, right? Most recent is always coming at the top. Are you getting? Most recent is always going to come at the top. Correct, right? Next it is going to display only 30 words. Only 30 words. For every post, it is going to display only 30 words. Sir, here Sunny, here also Sunny, but here Durga, here Chinni, like Sunny, like here. Do you know? This is what you should aware. Now take very special care about next important things, sir. Actually, Python certification also I provided, right? Python certification also I added, right? Python importance is coming. Python importance is coming, but where is the Python? Can you please have a look once? India cricket team like this, India movie information. Yes, it is the published Django, extra data science published, extra published Python importance published, next where is the Python certification not saved? Okay. Here just that's all. Sir, these are various things what you people should aware, sir. What is the next thing I have to discuss? What the next one I require to take care? If a huge number of posts are available, if several posts are available, right? So it's never recommended to display one by one and so on. Suppose here tomorrow 2000 posts are coming. Assume that by 1 year span 2000 posts we publish it, right? Are you getting? Then automatically first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, and so on. If you are going to take 2000 posts in a single page, meaningless. Are you getting? That's why compulsory we require to go for what is the concepts of pagination. Regarding what is the concept we require to go for? Pagination. Compulsory we require to go for pagination concept. How we can able to do this pagination? We should have clear clarity, sir. If more number of posts are available, records are available, then it's highly recommended to display all records across multiple pages so that end user can feel more comfortable, right? Okay, this concept is called pagination. Display records across multiple pages is a nothing but pagination concept, right? So how you can provide, how you can implement pagination? Okay, per page only 3 posts I have to display, not these many. Or per page only 2 posts I have to display, not these many. Or only 10 posts I have to display, not these many. How you can able to take is that concept is called pagination, right? Remember that 2 important points I have to discuss. Django can provide inbuilt support for pagination. Okay, it contains one module is there. What is the module, sir? Paginator module. What is the module name? What is the module name? Can you please spell out? Paginator. Regarding paginator module, and it contains one class, paginator class, right? Okay, here P small paginator module and contains what? Paginator class. By using this, we can implement pagination very easily. Don't worry about that. Friends, are you in the position to understand? So what is the next add-on plugin? What we want to do for the blog post is pagination concept. If you want to implement pagination in the Django, okay, paginator module we require to use. In that paginator class is there. Okay, can I go for yes this pagination concept? Can I implement this concept? Yeah, friends, can I implement this concept? Pagination? Very simple, sir. Just observe carefully. Here in the views, sir, where we require to implement? Where we have to implement, sir? Sir, here in the post list view. In the post list view, don't send all posts. You have to send only 3, or you require to send only 4, something like this. How we can able to do that, sir? Listen a bit very carefully, sir. So simple terminology. We require to create paginator object with the list of records and the number of records per page. Okay, assume that here, if you consider I got all posts. I got all posts. Okay, well, you got all posts. Okay, what is the next thing what I have to take? Create paginator object, sir. Okay, paginator is equal to paginator. It is a class, right, sir? Which list of records you want to apply pagination? for this list of records. That's why like this we have to take comma, comma. How many posts you want to display per page? Okay, 3 I'm taking, sir. Sir, can you please display the records from this post list in every page? How many, sir? 3. Is it clear for all of you? Can you please tell what I'm doing? I'm creating. Respond. I'm creating. Yeah, I'm creating, sir, just a paginator object. Okay, well, now what is the next I have to take, sir? So if I'm there in the first page, assume that if I'm there in the first page, 2, 3, next, like this. If I click next, automatically next page number is going to come. Correct or not? Next page number will come. That's fine. So that is available at the part of request. Sir, how I can able to get page number is equal to request dot get of, sir, request dot get of, sir. Here very simple, sir. Page, sir, all these things are predefined words. Paginator module is going to take care. We are not required to worry sending this parameter, query parameter. Okay, like so in the request, can you please get the current page number, current page number, like this we have to get, sir. Okay, like once I got the page number, now what I have to take care, related to this page number, can you please get the list? Related to this page number, can you please get the list? That's why here I'm taking try. Assume that maybe a chance of some exceptions. What exceptions we are going to get, I will explain. Don't worry, son. Post list is equal to paginator. Already I created paginator object. Dot paginator dot, sir, page of, yes, page number. What it means is, boss, can you please related to the specified page number, what are various posts I have to display? Can you please give the list of posts? Like this it is going to ask. Sir, now assume what errors there is a possibility. This is a very important, sir. What errors there is a possibility? The first error is, suppose, 1 minute, sir. Legend, sir, don't worry. Slowly, you people are going to get much clearly. Suppose if I'm taking 127.0.0.1:8000. Sir, just I'm sending the request like this. So by default, which page is going to display? Please respond. Home page. In the first page number has to display or not? First page number, because once you are talking about pagination, first page number, you are not passing any page attribute. You never think about pagination first. Just you are sending the normal request. In that case, what will happen is, okay, page not an integer. Like this you are going to get. Means that you are not sending any page number. Means by default I have to display first page. Remember this one, sir. By default I have to display first page. Then automatically what we have to take is post list is equal to paginator dot page of one directory. Are you getting? Sir, if the page is available, that page number related post you have to display. If it is not an integer, means you didn't pass, then automatically just a post list is equal to paginator dot page of one. Like this we have to take first page, right? Next, sometimes maybe a chance, except empty page. Empty page is going to come. Can you please guide when you are going to get empty page? Generally, if there is no respond, if there is no next page, are you getting? Total post completed, total pages completed, sir. So there is no next page. If there is no post in that page, empty page means, can you please guess which one I have to display? Display only last page. Are you getting? Display only last page only. Okay, like what I'm trying to take here is, so in this case, post list is equal to paginator dot page what is the number I have to provide? Please respond. What is the number I require to provide? What is the number I require to provide? Last page number. But how I can get last page number? How I can get last page number? Last page number. Very simple, sir. Paginator dot number of pages. Number of pages. That's all. Paginator dot number of pages, like this, right? Okay, sir. This is the code what you have to aware related to pagination. Remember this one, sir. Only this total thing is fixed, sir. Anywhere you can apply. Anywhere you can apply this pagination syntax. Don't worry about that. Okay. Then yeah, I will repeat, Padmaraj. Don't worry, sir. This is anywhere you can apply. You can apply. Suppose here my requirement is legend this one. Here just observe that. So this is the I'm getting all posts. Sir, for these posts, for this list of posts, I want a paginator object. Per page, I want to display three posts. Are you getting? Sir, first one, for which list you want to apply pagination. Next, second argument, how many number of records you have to display per page. Per page, I want to display only 3 records. Any doubt about this line? Sir, any doubt about this line first? Can you please tell? 111 line. Any doubt about this one? Please respond. Any doubt? No. So means, sir, all posts, all list of records you are getting. In this list of records, can you with this list of records and with the number of posts per page is the 3, can you please create paginator object? I'm getting paginator object, sir. Okay, well, now, sir, current page number I want to get, sir. Current page number I have to get, sir. If I will go for just example, then you can able to understand very easily, right? Just observe that. Please, what we will do is let me implement this one. Next, once it move to the live, then what is the meaning of this? You can able to understand. Can I go further? Okay. Just I will again explain. Don't worry about this. Okay, what it means, legend this one. Page is the predefined, which is provided by paginator. Vaishnav, correct? It is not my own. Paginator already available module we are using, right? Like now, sir, here that's all. Okay, well, now have a look once, sir. Here I have to take the code. Here I require to take the code. 1 minute. So alignment, indentation we have to take care, otherwise the cinema is going to come. Okay, next, except integer post list is equal to, second one, except post list is equal to, next, and after that return, like this, right? Sir, now just a copy pasted. Beyond that I didn't do anything, sir. Okay, anything. Now legend, sir, most of the people having doubt about this one and doubt about this, I will explain. Don't worry. Okay, next, one more thing. At the top there are several things we require to import from what is the module name? What is the module name? From Django core paginator import. Sir, this is paginator class is available inside Django core paginator import. Sir, first one paginator class, comma. Next, exceptions are also page not an integer, comma, empty page. Are you getting? Empty page, like this, right? That's it. These are various things what you people should be aware if you want to implement a paginator. Now legend this one. Here just observe, don't worry. It's a very clear for you people, right? Just what we did is just we created paginator and related to that paginator list I'm getting, right? Next, where, sir, what I have to write, I require to write the code related to the page nature. Are you getting? Just what it means, I will explain. Just let me send the request up to this. Up to this, see the server started properly. Server started properly. Okay, let me send the request. Now, how many posts I have to display? How many posts I have to? It will display per page according to our code. Can you please confirm? How many posts it is going to display? Only three. Only three, sir. 127. Okay, like this, like I'm taking. Can you please observe how many posts came? How many posts came? Three. Only three. Three we are getting. Are getting. Suppose I don't want three, sir. I want only two. I want only two. Two. Here instead of three, I'm taking two. Don't worry, Nandakishore. What about refining? Will come. Will come. Okay. Just I'm taking two. Okay, two number. Now per page, how many things are going to come? Here only two. Oh, pagination is working properly, man. Pagination is working properly. Sir, now here if I can take, sir, 4 I'm taking, then automatically per page only, sir, you know, per page it is going to display 4 like this, right? 1 2 3 4 perfectly it's working. Now I have one small doubt. Am I passing any page number so and so? No, I'm not passing any page number. If you are not passing any page number, then this line is not going to return number. It is going to return none, something like none like. Okay, none like. Sir, for the none, if you are trying to find the list, immediately you are going to get page not an integer. If it is not an integer, can you please display posts related to first page? Are you in the position to understand? If we are not passing any page request, page attribute, means that just I'm sending normal request, man. 127. I don't know what this page nation and so on. Just I'm sending no page and so on. If the page is not there, okay, page not an integer. So if you are not passing any page number, now you have to display by default first page. That's why, sir, only first page by default you are going to get. Thoda. Okay, once we implement the remaining, then you can able to get much clarity. Okay, well, sir, what is the next one? Legend this one. Next cinema. Here only 3 I'm taking, sir, standard. Okay, as of now, just here I'm taking 3, only 3 are coming. Then immediately some people are going to feel like anything. Sir, okay, 3, okay, well, where is my remaining post? Where is my remaining? So at the bottom, we require to implement. Sir, navigation. Correct or not? We require to implement navigation. Must be compulsory required. Okay, previous, next, like we have to take care. Correct or not? Previous, next, like this we have to take care. That navigation, okay, where we have to define inside this template file. What is the name of this template file, sir? Sir, list, page list. Here observe templates. Here templates, in the templates block, okay, post list like this, right? Okay, take very special care. It is going to display, sir, for each post in the post list, it is going to display, sir. So after display that page related post, now at the end, I have to take, now at the end, I require to take, okay, here page nation, compulsory page nation related I want to take. There is one small thing I have to explain. Take very special care, sir. Okay, in the page nation, what syntax we have to take? 1 minute, sir. Let me take one special file. Okay, one special file I'm taking. What I'm taking is pagination.html. One file I'm taking. Just the main purpose of this file is here navigation is there. Boss, next, previous, something like for that I want, right? Okay, here what code I have to take is, sir, div div class is equal to page nature. Maybe I may do some styling. I may do some styling for this, right? Okay, sir. Now what is my next thing I'm taking, sir? Here very simple, sir. Very simple. It is just I'm taking. Observe that if, sir, all these things are, remember this, all these things are one time activity. Okay, so once you aware, in all remaining cases just copy paste wherever pagination is required. That's why just aware that. Very easy, sir. What I'm trying to take here is just let me take page. Okay, this is the page, like page page dot number. What is the page number, sir? Page 2 of page 2 of page page dot page nature dot number of pages. What is the meaning of this one is, this is 1 of 2, or this is 2 of 3, this is 2 of 4, 2 of 5, 3 of 5, something like that. Okay, page 1 of 4, page 2 of 5, something like I want to display in this style. That's why like this, right? Okay, well, sir, in which HTML file I'm taking this one? Can you please tell? This line where I'm taking, in which file I'm taking? Array, respond, man. What is the file name? Pagenator.html. Here this name is not a fixed. Any name you can use. You require to include this HTML code here. Again, you require to include this pagination related HTML code in the post list at the bottom. After display all the posts at the bottom, I have to display. What I want to take is, okay, include. Sir, which one you have to include? Inside our blog pagination.html. Can you please include? Like this? Next, can you please include like this? With the page is equal to, page is the parameter I'm passing, sir. With the page list, like this. Sir, just aware. 1 minute, sir. What I'm trying to take here is, because of this line, what I'm taking? Can you please tell which page I'm trying to include? Sir? Yes, this pagination.html. This pagination.html is expecting some page variable. That page variable is page list. Now, page dot number. This page list dot number of page.pagenator dot number of pages. How many pages are there? Okay, 1 minute, sir. Because of this, is there any change in our output? Can you please have a look once? There is a small problem. Good. Up to this, can you please consider? Up to this, okay. Page off. It is a include wise, no problem at all. Page off. But here 2, 4, something like we require to pass with page is equal to post list, something like I do. Is there any mistake? Yeah. Will come. 1 minute. Page dot number with page is equal to post list. With the page is equal to by mistake page list, like I do, post list. Okay. Now observe this post list, whatever there, I'm passing that post list to this pagination. Now, can you please observe that? Is there any change? Yeah, wonderful. Are you getting right? Now, are you in the position to understand? Page 1 of 2. Page 1 of 2 is coming. Page 1 of 2, because this is the first page. But how to get the next page? That part I will take care, man. Don't worry. Just this is the first one. Page 1 of 2. Okay, well. What next I have to take? Okay, what next I have to take? Previous link must be required. Next link must be required. Previous link must be required. Next link must be required. Okay. Now, sir, next link, let me take. We are very much eager. By default, it is coming first page. I have to see next page, second page, third page, like that, right? Let me talk about next page. Sir, where I have to write next link, that code where I have to write? Please, can you please guess? Where I have to write next page, next page link, where I have to write the code? Please respond. In which file I have to write? In which file I have to write? That's about my requirement. In which file I have to write? Okay. Good. Page nation.html. Okay. This one I'm taking inside span tag. Inside span tag I'm taking, sir. Okay, well, this is the span means inline styling. If you want, you can able to do some styling for these different colors and so on. Like, now here what I want to take, here I'm taking, sir, percentage. Okay, if page dot has next page is available. If the next page is available, can you please display next, sir? Can you please display next? Like this I'm taking. Next, like this I'm taking, sir. Sorry. Can you please display next? Like one, 1 minute. Don't worry. What I want to take is, let me take just next, maybe inside the anchor tag. Okay, don't worry about this one. Next, like this I'm taking, sir. End if like this. Now, can you please have a look once? After display 1 of 2, if the next page is available, can you please display one hyperlink for the next? Okay, let me refresh. Wow, good. Am I able to see hyperlink or not? Yes, friends. Am I able to see immediately hyperlink or not? Yes, here hyperlink I'm seeing. But what to where I will go? That link I will implement. Don't worry about that. Okay, here just one space I'm expecting. Okay, like ampersand NBSP. Okay, well, next is there, sir. Next like this. Next, what is the next one I have to take? What the next? That's all. But how to go to next page? How to go to next page? Next page. Okay, compulsory. We require to pass. Okay, what is the URL pattern? In that URL pattern, okay, in that URL pattern, we have to pass page is equal to, we require to pass page is equal to, do you know, next page number, page dot next page number, page dot next page number. So do you know question mark followed by like this? This is called query string, which is coming as a part of get request. Remember, we are not going to do big activity. It is called page. What is the next page number? Like this, right? Now slowly you people can able to understand. Don't worry. Okay, here see this one. Okay, now observe that. Now observe this one. If you are seeing, can you please have a look once at the bottom? At the bottom, if the page is equal to 2 is going or not? If I click this one, if I click this one, Then what is the URL? Observe that page is equal to 2. Like, let me send. Second page is coming or not? Perfect. Second page is coming or not? Okay, this is now, sir. You came to second page. You came to second page. But how to go to previous page? Previous link is not there. Next up, why the next is not displayed? Because there is no next page. There is no next page. Have you observed the code a bit intelligently I wrote? Page dot has a next. Pass if the next page is available, then only next link is going to come. Otherwise, it won't come. Remember this one. Okay, well. Now, what about previous, sir? What about previous? Previous should come before of this one. Before of this one. Previous should come before. That's why here I'm taking if same thing only. Same thing only, sir. If page dot, can you please guide? Has, array respond, has previous. Has previous. Okay. Now here, sir, here page dot previous page number. Previous page number. Now here we have to take previous. Okay. So just let me add some ampersand NDSP. Wonderful, sir. That's it, friends. Sir, first page. This is the first page. There is no previous page. That's why it's not going to display. If I click this one, next page is available. Yes, next page is available. That's why next page is coming. Okay, page 2. But now previous page is available. That's why previous page is going to come. Next page, next previous page. Next previous. Perfectly, it's going to work. Next per page, I'm taking 3, sir, 3. But now what I want to take per page, only 2 posts I have to display. Per page, only 2 posts I have to display. Okay, 2. Just change the number. Change the number. That's all. Now here I don't want. Okay, page 1 of 3. Next, sir, next previous, like this, right? Okay, total. We are in the position to see the impact of pagination. Now, where our bottlenecks are there, I mean, where our difficult parts. Now, let me explain. So, this pagination.html, this code everyone can able to understand. Sir, if the previous page is available, can you please give the link to previous page? Sir, this is the current page number. Next, if the next page is available, can you please provide next page link? That's it. This total I am implementing inside pagination.html. Wherever this HTML code is required, just take one include. That's it. Wherever that pagination link is required, just include this one. That's it. Sir, can I use it generic code or not? Yes, it is the generic code. Everywhere you can use this one, man. It is the generic code everywhere, even for your employees and so on. Everywhere you can able to use. Okay, clear, right? Nandakishore, why we are not adding slash URL pattern? The reason for that is it is already pointing to the home page only. Are getting home page only? That's why. If it is not home page, if it is some other, then URL pattern must be required. Okay. Now observe carefully, sir. Now observe. Now you can able to understand very easily about this concept. Very easily about this concept. Sir, I'm just sending. Observe that carefully, sir. I'm just sending 127:001:8000. Am I sending any page attribute? Can you please tell? Am I sending any page parameter, query parameter? No, I'm not sending any page parameter. If you are not sending any page parameter, okay, sir, now request.get off page. Sir, this page is not available, man. That's why none we are going to get. Now, for the none page number related, I want to post list. Immediately you are going to get page not an integer error. If a page not an integer, if you are going to get, page not an integer. If you are going to get, can you please display first page? Regarding, can you please display first page? Now, are you in the position to understand? Because whenever you are asking normal, you are not going to send any page attribute, page parameter. That's why sir, post list is equal to only first page it's going to display. Clear, right? That's the meaning. Now here just observe that by default first page is going to come. By default first page is going to come. Now what I want to take, sir, if I'm not passing any page number, can you please display third page? Can you please display third page? Like this I'm asking. Can you please display third page? Now observe that. Refresh, third page is displaying. Refresh, third page is going to display. If you are not passing anything, by default third page is going to display. Sir, can you please display? If you are not passing page number, first page. That's why like this. Next, anyway, it is not required. Anyway, it's not required because the reason is when empty page you are going to get, if related to the page number, if posts are not available, then only empty page. If empty page is going to come, can you please display number? Can you please display what the sir last page, where this type of thing is there? I will show, sir. Actually, where this type of requirement is there, I will show. Okay. Now, previous, next, sir, previous like this. So now, do you know if I click? Now currently we are in which page? Can you please tell? Currently we are in which page? Which page is two page. Suppose some intelligent people may copy paste this URL. Copy paste this URL. Array 200th page. 200th page. Okay. I want to post related to 200th page. 200th page. What it has to do? 200th page number. 200th page number. Do you know either any posts are available? Is there any posts are available in the 200 page number? No, empty list. If it is empty, then automatically empty page is going to come. If it is the empty page, now can you please display what is the last page? Let me cross check. Perfect. Which page is going to display? 3. Friends, are you in the position to understand? Now this code, everyone can able to understand clearly, right? Okay, sir, how to implement pagination? Anywhere, sir, need not be here. Anywhere you can implement this pagination, need not be in this case. Okay, if you want, here see, just a copy paste only, right? Suppose I'm taking DJ project. There is one project is there named with DJ project, Durga Jobs project. Okay, templates. Here observe the test app. Sir, I took pagination.html. Is it the same or not? Can you please observe that? Is it the same or not? Same, no difference at all. Copy paste. But only thing is span tags I added if I want to do any styling. Span tags I added if I want to do any styling like this, right? Okay, just I added some span tags. Okay, like this is the same. Now here hyd jobs.html. In the hyd jobs.html, one link I added. What is that link? Yes, like this. Include test app with the page is equal to jobs list. Here jobs list I send. Next, in the view function, just I copy pasted this code. Okay, paginator like this, right? Same copy paste, anywhere pagination. Now how many jobs it is going to be displayed, sir? 5 jobs it is going to display. Regarding 5 jobs it's going to display. Now let me go for that. D Django projects. Okay, now DJ project. Okay, now let me stop the server instance here and let me start the server here. Py manage.py. Run server. Run server. Okay, well, now let me send the request. Maybe Durga jobs related. It's going to come perfect. HYD jobs, Bangalore jobs, HYD jobs. Okay. How many things are available, sir? Only 5. Are you getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Here next is there. Next 5 is going to come. Next 5 is going to come. Next sir, next 5 is going to come. Okay, like page 3. Sir, if you observe that page 3 of 16 pages are there, sir. Okay, previous and so on. But anyway, styling, colors change, all those things we can able to take. We are very experts in the CSS. Okay, well, now here, do you know, I don't want 5, sir. I want to 10. I want 10, sir. Very simple. 10, like you can take 10 per page, 10 we can able to take. Now observe that now onwards 10 posts are coming. Okay, now earlier 16 pages, but now it became 8 pages only. Next something like this. So pagination in any project, if you want to implement, it is no longer problem. Just one simple import statement we have to take. One simple import statement we have to take, and then just these lines and pagination.html, this code we can able to take. Wherever this code is required, just take one, include URL. That's it. Are you facing any difficulty to understand this? All the people, can you please clear, right? Okay, that's it. So do you know, if we are going for class-based views, at our childhood somewhere we covered class-based views. If you are going for class-based views, then pagination concept is too much easy, sir. Too much easy. If you are going for class-based views, how you can do that is matter of 1 minute. Let me take. Can I? Here just observe that. Here 1 minute. I open another application also, right? Yes, 1 minute. This is my this is our project. Okay, here this is the project like this. Now in the views.py, I want to take class-based views. Let me define here, sir. Here I want to take. Sir, do you know how to define class-based views? Class. Okay, here I'm taking class-based views. How we can able to take class-based views, sir? Very simple. Class post list view. I'm taking of list view. Have you remembered list view? But anyway, if you want to use a list view, there is compulsory we should go for from Django dot views dot generic import list view. Like this, right? Sir, we use it somewhere. Don't worry, sir. Okay, here see this. Okay, now what I want to take, sir, this is based on which model. Okay, based on which model we have to take. Okay, based on which model we have to take. Very simple, sir. Model is post. Post like this I have to take. Next, sir, page net by like how many posts you want, you have to specify page net by is equal to 2 or 3, something like you can able to specify. That's all. Are you getting right? This is, so we are not required to write this much code also. If you are going to take, sir, this thing is more enough. Okay, sir, is really is going to work? Can you please show? Is really this one is going to work? Can you please show? Like you people may ask. Yeah, very simple, sir. Very simple. Default template file name is the default template file. Default template post underscore list.html. Default template name Shashank. List view post underscore list.html. Default template automatically it's going to search. Don't worry. Okay. Like now, what I want to take only one thing, sir. Here instead of post list, what I have to take page underscore obj. This is the default object. Are you getting default objects are page underscore obj. Like this we have to take. Page is equal to page underscore obj. This is the only change what we have to take. That's all in the list. Now I have to define URL pattern. Regarding I require to define URL pattern. In the URL pattern, okay, URL pattern, just let me comment this URL pattern. Now, anyone can you please guide how to define URL pattern for class-based views? Sir, I forgot, sir. Anyone can you please guide class-based views? Views dot what I have to take? What is the post list view dot as underscore view, like this we have to take. Correct time? As underscore view, like this we have to take. Okay, that's all. This is the class name dot. Now let me send a request. Let me start the server. That's all. So now I changed URL pattern already. So post list view, even you define, it's not going to execute. Now let me send the request. How many posts are coming? Only 2 posts are coming. Only 2 posts are coming. Where I implemented that? Here in the views.py, here I took it to. Only one I want to take. Paginate by only one. Only one I'm taking, sir. If I'm going to take only one, can you please observe? One. Next, like this, right? That's all. Pagination by class-based views are very easy, sir. Nothing will be there. Okay, we are not required to write even that much code also. Clear, friends? Okay, that's it.